Hello. This video is presenting a legal agreement for hosting the B40 Youth Legal Literacy pop-up booth. This is the list of team members. This agreement involves three parties, namely, Mr. Sazali bin Ahmad as a venue provider, Ms. Aina binti Hussan as an organizer and Ms. Ifa binti Isa as a volunteer supervisor, Ms. Aina binti Hussan representing the Youth Legal Aid Initiative, a community volunteer project. Ms. Ifa binti Isa participating volunteers and legal advisors, including registered university students, legal aid personnel, and supervising faculty. The purpose of the agreement is to enable free, non-commercial use of public space, and the target audience is B40 youth between the ages of 15 and 30. The scope of legal information offered, contracts and employment rights, part-time job agreements, rental and tenancy awareness and basic consumer protection laws. The title of the event is Legal Literacy Pop-Up Booth, Know Your Rights. The event will be held on August 30, 2025, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Dewan 1 Malaysia, Simpang Empat. Admission is free and open to B40 youth between the ages of 15 and 30. There are three scopes of activities. 1. Printed brochures and digital screens with legal information. 2. On-site Q&A with trained law students or legal aid officers. And 3. A survey to understand the legal challenges faced by youth. There are three main roles in this event: the venue provider, the organizer, and the volunteers. The venue provider allows the free, non-commercial use of the space. They also provide electricity and shade if available, and may visit the booth to observe. The organizer is responsible for setting up, supervising, and cleaning up the booth. They coordinate trained volunteers, ensure safety at all times, promote respectful and non-discriminatory behavior, and make it clear that no legal representation will be provided. Volunteers must behave professionally and keep all information confidential. They are not allowed to prepare written contracts or legal documents. All volunteers must also attend a short ethics briefing before the event. The following is a legal disclaimer for this event. The organizer and volunteers only provide general legal information. No lawyer-client relationship is created, and no personal legal advice will be given. All information is general and for learning purposes only. Professional legal consultation should be sought for personal legal matters. A clear disclaimer will be displayed at the booth throughout the event. Here's some important information about privacy and data use. Any personal data collected, such as survey responses, shall be anonymous and used only for educational or statistical purposes. No legal records, names, or addresses will be retained without consent. This section explains indemnity and liability. The venue provider will not be held responsible for any claims or issues related to the event. The insurance coverage or university approval will be arranged to cover public event liability. The volunteers take part at their own risk and must sign a simple indemnity form before participating. If things don't go as planned, for venue provider, both parties will try to solve them through open discussion. If it remains unresolved after 7 days, a neutral third party will help through mediation. If mediation fails, the issue may be brought to court in Perlis, Malaysia. Then, the termination clause is an agreement that can be cancelled by either party with 3 days written notice before the event. In cases of emergencies, natural disasters, or legal restrictions, the venue provider can cancel the event immediately. Lastly, the governing law states refers to how this agreement will follow and be interpreted under the laws of Malaysia, especially the Contracts Act 1950 and any public liability provisions. Thank you.